Hey guys, Jeremiah with Steps Pressure Washing and More. Today, let's talk about the Xero single stage deionizing water filter for your water-fed pole. So we started window cleaning this year. Again, it's our second attempt at window cleaning, and last year when we started, we attempted to go water-fed pole only without doing any traditional window cleaning. We were just going to do water-fed pole. So we purchased a water-fed pole and some cheap $20 water filters on Amazon and attempted to go out and do a ton of windows and kind of fell flat on our face. So since then, I've been toying with the idea of window cleaning, and this year, again in May, we restarted our window cleaning program, and here we are again with a water-fed pole system. We decided to go with Xero because it is a very well-known brand. It is known for quality, and it is known for being able to do what it needs to do at a professional level. Now, last year, I wasn't prepared to invest the money that needed to happen for a water-fed pole system that would actually deliver a professional result, when that ended up with about a $250 investment in total equipment. And so this year, we still have the $250 pole that we got last year. We're just pairing it up with this Xero DI tank, and we're going to see how well it does. One of the biggest concerns that I've seen on this is that, one, it is only a single stage filter. So this needs to be, with soft water, 150 parts per million for total TDS 50. And this is a big concern. This was something I was really worried about. Was this, I think they said it's a 4-gallon total tank, and it gets really heavy. So with that, everybody was saying there's no good way to carry it, no handle. Guess what, guys? They added a handle. This came, I don't know if it is standard with Xero now, but WCR, the window cleaning resource, this is where I got it from. It all came like this together. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this set up. I bought the Xero adapter, and this is for the 5/16, and I'm going to be setting this up partly with what I had with my original pole, and this as well. So let's go ahead and get it set up. I'm going to test my TDS with this TDS Easy, and I also got this from windowcleaner.com, and I will put a link for everything in the description so that if you guys wanted to add this to your arsenal, it would be quick and easy. And again, we got it all from Window Cleaner Resources. That's where we've been getting all of our window cleaning supplies since we've been going on this journey. This year, compared to last year, we were doing everything off of Amazon, and we decided we were going to go with professional equipment rather than trying to go the super cheap alternative. A quick check on our TDS, and I'm just going to turn this on. Fill up that little cap, and we're going to just put this right on in here, and we are reading at 99 parts per million, so this is actually relatively high. Yeah, that's not good. But we're going to see what it comes out after running it through the Xero DI filter. Alright, so I've got this hooked up, and I've added the Xero quick connect right here just so that we are able to get a nice little stream of water out. This has a ton of power as far as gallons per minute flow, which I'm actually really surprised in, because you don't really need that much to do water-fed pole, but it has a nice little gallon per minute flow. I haven't tested it, but that's a pretty steady stream. So I'm going to go get the TDS meter. I'm going to slow this down to something a bit more reasonable. Oh wow, that's a nice little stream there. I'm going to slow this down to something a bit more reasonable that you might actually use on water-fed pole cleaning. Now I'll go grab that TDS meter. Starting, we were at 100 parts per million, or 99, I'm sorry. We're going to get technical here. 99 parts per million. After running through the DI filter, we are going to be at 0. We're at 0 parts per million on total dissolved solids, and you're not going to get much better than that. Now, you do want to be at 10 or below, which is kind of going to be your minimum at 10 or below. And I'm going to be keeping this TDS meter handy so that I can make sure that I'm not going to be leaving water spots behind. But I'm going to go ahead and just shut this right on off, save me a little water. And I'm going to come right over here. We've got these hard to reach windows. This is why I bought the filter. This is why I believe that water-fed pole is going to be a big part of my cleaning service. Is because if I put a ladder up to here, it's going to be a heck of a time trying to reach those. And I could use just a pole and squeegee, but I feel like just having this water-fed pole system is going to be my go-to. So I'm going to hit these two real quick and see how they come out. And do that with the EquipMax. I'll show you what we've got. So this is the water-fed pole I have. It is not by any means the best water-fed pole out there, but it is a super light by EquipMax, and it is a 20-foot pole. It came with this little quick connect fitting, and this would have gone very well, except I misplaced the other piece. I didn't use it for over a year. And I'm going to go ahead and get this hooked up. It does work with the Xero quick connect adapter. And I'm going to go ahead and get this hooked up and clean a couple windows on my house. Just as easy as doing a quick connect on my pressure washer. I'm going to disconnect this piece. Luckily, this is the little ball valve. So while I'm doing all this, the water is shut off. Coming back through with the piece that came with my EquipMax, and this fits right on in there just the same, and needs a little pressure just to click in, and we are on. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with this purchase. The tank itself runs about 350, and it was able to get my 99 TDS down to 0 immediately. All I had to do was plug it up to a water hose and start running water through it, and it was filtering it. There was nothing else I had to do, just hook it up to a water hose and hook it up to my water-fed pole. That was it. So with this, I will have the ability to get hard-to-reach windows, to clean hard-to-reach windows, skip a ladder sometimes, and possibly do upsells for maintenance cleanings, or just hitting with a water-fed pole after doing a house wash. There's many things that I could use this for to make more profit with my business. So I will be looking into getting a cap for this side because we do need to keep the resin wet. And so I will be looking into getting a cap for over here just to make sure we don't leak all of our pure water out immediately. But overall, super happy with this. Highly recommend it if you are doing soft water filtration. Of course, we were doing under 150 parts per million, and it immediately started filtering down to 0, which is absolutely what we were hoping to do today. But I will say I'll keep an eye on it. If you keep following the channel, I'll let you know how long this lasts. But for right now, my first impression of this is it is going to be an absolute game changer. Being able to use the water-fed pole in situations where traditional cleaning may not be my best or only option now. I can do a water-fed pole if I need to just do a water-fed pole. And yes, this is more expensive. The tank itself, or the Xero DI tank, cost more than all of my trad equipment put together. But I was able to do some traditional window cleaning work and use some of that money to go towards upgrading my equipment so that I can do a better job, faster job, and being more professional, being able to provide that professional quality that we're looking for. Links for all of these items will be in the description below. I get all of my window cleaning supplies from windowcleaner.com. We are also affiliates for windowcleaner.com, so if you purchase your window cleaning supplies through our links below, we do get a small commission. I will also throw in the link for the EquipMax on Amazon, and that, I think, it's a really economical pole, and for being $250 plus this at $350, you are water-fed pole at $600, and this may not be your everyday use, but if this is something you're adding on to pressure washing or to landscaping or whatever your system, whatever your main service might be, this could be a great way to get your foot in the door on window cleaning. Or if you've got a commercial window cleaning job to do, but it's your only job, why invest all the time, effort, and money into traditional equipment when you can just hook up some water, scrub it down, rinse it off, and call it a day. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate all of the support you guys have given the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Y'all be safe out there.